Hi Kristen, in this video I will be mainly covering the roles that a store owner can perform. So as a store owner, there are three things that he needs to do very frequently. So he should be able to add a new product to his store. He should be able to create a product display for the things that he has added, and he should be able to add multiple stores if he wants to. So I will visit all these one by one. So first, let's start with uh, what is available in the my account of the store owner. Um, so over here we have four tabs. This is the basic view. This is the edit place from where he can edit the various things which are present. So he can change the passwords. He can create new passwords. He can upload a picture if he wants to. He can track as well. In this track tab he can see the various products which he has, the replies which he has got in time. The last updated time is available over here. And as a merchant, he needs to be able to do three things. So over here is the orders tab, which displays the various orders which a store owner has received. This is the stores tab, which tells the store owner of the various stores that he has made. So this is the exotic store and this is the necklace store. And finally the products tab. This shows the various products that the store owner has. Now let's see how we can add a new product or edit an existing product. So this is the product that is already present with us. So let's see. So this is the product SKU. This SKU means the unique identifier for any product. This has to be unique for all the products overall which all exist, for not just a single person store owner, but I think this should be unique for all. This is the title for the product that he wants to give. This is the here he enters the price of the product, and this is the status that whether this product is still active or is it disabled. I really do not know if we need this tab. It can be removed. We can add more elements over here. For example, like a product may have a color or it may not have a color. The store to which this product belongs to, and later on some other log message that needs over here for particular reference, that maybe the price has changed from 60 to 50, so that can be added in the log message. So let's save this product. Yeah, okay. We can also let's add some content for a product. Let's first add a new product, and then later on we'll make a product display for it, and that product display will be visible uh, even over here as well as on the home screen, which is this page. Okay, a new product will get added over here. So let's create a product display. Let's add a new product first. Let's add a new product for the board. Let's keep the title as board. Let's keep its price to be $10. So let's have the color as red, and let's keep this as exotic. Now we have added a new product over here, and now let's create a new product display for it, which can be done from here. This is the add content tab. Now in add content means that a user can display it, can create a new product display. So this is add content over here because there can be multiple roles or multiple things that a user can perform. So since in our case there is, or a store owner can do, for example, we can even later on give him permission to add a new blog, or maybe some other special type of a page that he has permission to create, maybe a page for his own store, a display for his own store in order to display the items. So So that is why an add content tab was I named this tab as add content. We can even change it for the time being to add product display over here or something smaller. So for the time being, let's keep it this. Later on we can change. So over here, we are giving the title as board. Let's give it some body. This is the temp body for the board object. Okay, this is filtered HTML. We have more options over here. He can even give a full HTML content over here, or it can be plain text, whatever the user wishes. Let's keep it full HTML. In that case, we'll have to add some HTML tags. So assuming that a store owner is a programmer, or he has some basic programming skills of creating web pages and other displays, or he has an HTML for his product display, which we can get. There are various sites which are available, like blogging sites, in which he can create a blog and a display, and later on import that HTML over here. This is even possible. So he can create a body for the product display. This is italics, and let's give a heading as product description, and let's give the price over here as $10. Okay, and later on he can select the product for which he's creating this display. For example, he's creating the display for the board product. Let's browse the images. Let's upload this image. We can create a title and an alternate text for this if you want, and later on let's save this product. Fine. So here is the product display for this particular product, and if we go to the home page now of the screen, we can see that a new product has been added over here. Okay, so in this way a store owner can create a product and a corresponding product display for it. This is the teaser view for the product. We can directly add this product to our shopping cart by clicking on this button. So there is some warning over here. I'll look into this. I have not seen this before. We'll see this later on. However, this board has been added. This is just a warning. I think this should not create a very big problem, but we should look into this. Again, let's try to add another product over here in the shopping cart. Maybe it's giving some error, but I'll see that. But yeah, so things are getting added to the shopping cart properly, so we can then later on go and check out. So over here it will ask for the various information, name and address and other things. I have to still work on this payment module and the shopping cart part. I'm not completely finished with that yet. So once I'm done, I will make another video for the various parts which keep on getting completed, or which are ready for deployment. So now let's see what this add store do. Now in this, a store owner can add multiple stores. So basically, a store owner is not just a store owner, he is a merchant. So a merchant can have multiple stores. So he can add not just a single store, he can have many stores if he wants to. So till now this Abhi123 has 2 stores. Now let's add another store. Let the store name be Abhi, and he can choose the various payment methods from here. He can enable a PayPal WPS payment method, or he can authorize all, or he can even create cash on delivery, a bank transfer, a credit card payment method, or a WPS payment method, whatever you want. And let's save the store. So now as we can see that in the stores tab we have three stores now, and when we are editing a product, let's edit the last product that we added, or the last product over here. We can change this to a P, and this will be suggested to us, and we can save the product. And as we can see on the first page, this product was uh, yeah. So this is the product. However, there is not going to be any changes in the display because we do not have a option to display the store to which this product belongs to. We will be adding this thing later on. So for the time being, only there is no information regarding the store to which any product belongs to. We can add that information. This is the thumbnail. This is the view of this image, and we have created like there's a previous and the next button, and we can have multiple images over here, not just two. We can have more images for it. Currently, this is the fade view. We can have more different types of views or a carousel for the image display over here. I was not able to bring in the zoom in part, which I have to see, which can be worked on later. Besides that, mm, yeah, in the future works will include making or working on the payment module, and working on the checkout module. So basically, the payment module and the checkout module is still pending, which I will be working, and I will be making another video in which I will be uh, giving the roles of the root user. So basically, the site administrator, the various things that he can control, the various things that he has in his control. So we need that mainly because of the blogs that we have. So the blogs can be added right now only by the storeroom, by the administrator, the site administrator. Later on, we can change this functionality to administrators who have the permission to write blogs. So that can be done. And in fact, this permission can even be given to store owners or the merchants. But right now, this permission is reserved only for the root administrator. So let's see a blog over here. Yeah, this is a sample blog. It has an image over here, and it has some content over here, and it has some tags over here. Okay. In fact, the whole UI of this blog can be changed. A custom UI can be given to it. So these things are possible, and I will be covering this information regarding blogs and the uh, the various other roles that a root user will perform in the next video.